What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Love K, aka Love Couture, Shania Love. Hey, so today is Mother's Day. It's currently 3:05. If y'all can see, it's currently 3:05, and I'm gonna put together my Mother's Day gift for my mom. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm trying to do, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything I got. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna do it in the kitchen, like between the kitchen and the dining room, like the opening or whatever. So I got 20 cards, but I got 18 cards because I'm 18, and then I got my mom a card for every year that she's been a mom. Yeah. So then, like, in the 18 cards, I'm gonna put a reason in there as why, I like her being my mom, and why, I'm thankful for her, basically. So that's that out the way. And I'm gonna have the cards hanging from the ceiling, like with purple, I don't know if I'm gonna use purple bead or purple string or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna have the cards hanging from the ceiling. I got all her favorite candy. And I'm gonna put that in a bag, and then I got her, 2 other cards that make the 20 cards. But I'm gonna just write like a little message in there in both of them, and then I'm gonna put money in both of them, and then I'm gonna put them inside the gift bag with the candy. Yeah. And then I got like some decoration stuff to like kind of light up the kitchen and stuff before she go in there. So got that. And what else I'm about? I bought a lot of stuff to hang from the ceiling and to decorate, so I'm gonna show y'all what I bought. And if you're wondering why I'm so quiet, it's because I think she's still up, because I went in there. Y'all, I could not find my pants. I had to go in there when I was trying not to go in there at all to wake her up. But I went in there, she was already up watching TV, so I'm like, dang. But I went in there to get a pen, and I saw she was up, so I'm trying to be quiet so she don't hear me or like hear my ideas and stuff. And then I'm gonna try to like do everything that I can up here, and I'm gonna take all the stuff downstairs, and then I'm gonna start setting it up, because she usually wake up around like 7 or 8ish, or maybe 8:30. I don't know. She was tired yesterday, so she might wake up a little bit later, but I want to make sure I went ahead and got this done, because I might oversleep myself. But we're gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. But yeah, now I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All this stuff came from Dollar Tree, okay? We balling on the budget during Corona quarantine, whatever you wanna call it. So first thing I got was this. This is the one I'm gonna use to hang the stuff from the ceiling. And then I'm gonna put this on the bag. Oh, and I got these flowers. I got a whole bunch of different flowers to make a bouquet for her, because I had to go to the store. Okay, today Mother's Day, so I had to go to the store. I had to go to the store 3 days ago, right? But I ended up getting sick 3 days ago. Like, not corona sick.
Right, guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! It's getting real!
Nothing. Like, I had some bad food, okay? That's what I'm gonna say. I had bad food, and it didn't agree with me. So yeah, I was sick, and that was the day I was supposed to go to the store to get the rest of the stuff. Couldn't go. So I'm gonna use these little bullet flowers that I got to make a bouquet. This is not the only one. I'm gonna show y'all these. I got these. And then I got these. And then I got these. So I'll make a little bouquet with those. And then I got these little light up things. And I'm gonna put these like on the floor. Like as you're walking in, like as you come downstairs, come around the corner, you're walking towards the opening of the kitchen and the dining room. I'm gonna put these in there to make, like light a little path for her, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then, these are all the cards. And then the other 2 are right here. I don't know if y'all can see. There are the other 2 cards. yeah, then I got these little hanging decoration things. That's supposed to be like little fluffy balls or whatever. We're gonna see how that goes. I got 3 of them, so that makes 6. We got some more things to like the pad. Oh, and this is what, I don't know if y'all can, okay. This is what I'm gonna use to wrap the flowers in and to hang some stuff. And then this is a gift bag. And then this is all the candy. If y'all wonder why I got sugar free, it's because my mama's a diabetic. And if you're also wondering why I got everything purple, that's her favorite color. Oh, I got 2 boxes of these. And I got a different box of fruit snacks. Oh, this one got caramel. And this one got coconut. Then I bought these. These are her favorite. Like, she like gummy candy. I got her the Mentos. So stoppers. The Mentos. Alright, y'all, so that was everything I got from Dollar Tree. Right on all the cards that I got. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stick the stuff that I'm gonna use to hang them through the card, so that all I gotta do when I get downstairs is just put the tape on them and stick them to the ceiling. Yeah, so I got all the candy in the bag. Now I'm finna do all of the cards, and then the 2 cards that I want to go in the bag, I'm gonna put them in the bag with the money, and then I'm gonna go get some tissue paper, and I'm gonna put tissue paper, you know, on top of the bag. I'm gonna open one of these, cause I think it came with batteries, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Y'all, look. Okay, Dollar Tree, I might be working with some. But yeah, so I got these. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take both of these off. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the bag, and then I'm gonna take these off and put them on the cards, alright? Because I couldn't find rubber bands, like, and I just had them, but I don't know where I put them. So we're gonna use a hair tie, and I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna tie it around the flowers so that the flowers scrunch tight together, and then I'm gonna rewrap it in the dazzled little diamond wrap. done cutting the little rest of the diamond thing.
What?
Started at, it's almost 4 o'clock. I don't know if y'all can see if it'll, but yeah, I started at 3:05 maybe, so it's been like 50 minutes I've been doing this, but I got the gift bag done. I got the little bouquet, bedazzled bouquet done. All I gotta do is the cards. Do these cards and then we're gonna go downstairs. What I realized is that I don't have enough string for all the cards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang all of them up until, you know, I run out of string, and then the other ones I'm gonna place on the table in front of the flower. Start hanging stuff up, and I'm gonna put y'all on the other side. Alright, y'all, so I am finally done with setting everything up. It is 5:52. It's almost 6 o'clock, and I started at 3. This is a 2-person job. Like, yeah, I'm out of breath. I don't know why I took this on by myself, but it turned out pretty good, so I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, that is everything. Your girl is tired. Then on top of that, I gotta hurry up and go to sleep, and then wake back up to wake up before she come down here. I hope y'all enjoyed this Mother's Day's video, but Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get in the comment section down below and tell your girl what you want to see next, alright? Bye, y'all.